DSS Plus, ultimately at its core, is a specialist operations consultancy business. We have a strong heritage, and we were part of DuPont and carved out in 2019 in a management buyout. We've been independent since then, and we've been building capabilities to address the needs of our clients worldwide.
So we are around 1,500 professionals across the globe. We operate globally in all continents, and our professionals support different industries. And over the years, we have developed significant experience around operational risk, sustainability, and operational excellence.
So in this difficult operating environment, which I think we all find ourselves in, be it due to geopolitical risk, be it due to change in supply chain, the interest rate environment, clearly companies and our clients are dealing with a myriad of different issues that they're trying to work through at the moment. We at DSS Plus feel that we can be very additive to them and help them navigate those difficult issues.
Some of our clients made investments 5-6 years ago in portfolio companies, and definitely the economical context has been very challenging. It's making really more difficult for them to get the returns that they are expecting. So everything around increasing the way to create value in the portfolios and really make an impact in terms of the capabilities they need to get in the business to realize this value is very much at the center of the discussion that we are having with most of them.
What we do in the private equity and principal investor team is we're a crossover industry team. We work alongside our other industry specialists in other industry verticals, be it power and utilities, be it transport and infrastructure, food and agriculture, working with subject matter experts who really understand that industry because they've been in it for 10, 20 years, even more than that at times, working at an operating level, running those businesses, getting to leadership roles, and now looking to help other companies in that ecosystem really leverage the best of their specialization. And that's what we're trying to do.
We bring all this knowledge and expertise from corporates and we put it into the service for private equity owners. So when they make decisions about the investment, they can feel confident that they are backed up by advisors that have a profound industry expertise.
A lot of companies and a lot of private equity funds are able to record where their investee companies, where their portfolio companies might sit in terms of that maturity curve. And they might be at a benchmark, certain aspects where sitting in green, certain aspects in amber, certain in red. Now getting to a stage of how do you actually affect that change? How do you move people up that curve from red to amber, amber to green? That's much more difficult, much more of a challenge. And that at DSS Plus is what we're seeking to do. We're seeking to operationalize that sustainability and really work with our clients hand in hand over the life cycle of their investment to help them move companies into that long-term sustainable and resilient space and make it a more meaningful investment and create more value overall.
So we support our clients along the whole investment cycle, from pre-ownership to ownership phase. In the pre-ownership phase, we work with them around how to integrate sustainability into the decision-making process. The second element is what we call specialist due diligence. So more and more investors are looking for someone who is able to bring together different aspects of their operating model of the target company. So really looking at, for example, reliability and maintenance, environmental risk, and health and safety, putting all this together and make sense of what is really relevant for them in their industry. So in the ownership phase is everything around implementation and helping our clients build their internal capabilities to have an impact. We do that, for example, in operational risk and helping the teams really raise their performance in safety and have an impact in terms of safety performance for the businesses which they operate. We also help them in what we call sustainable operations. And here is moving from having plans in place, for example, for decarbonization or life cycle management, into really executing this and making sure that their teams are able to achieve the vision that they already defined in their strategies. What we see more and more is that investors are looking for someone who is able to bring the three things together rather than having different advisors looking at different things and sometimes not being able to put it together and make sense of the risk?
We're a very data-driven business. We focus on measuring the impact that we have, be it on the return on investment that the clients have when it's about operational excellence, be it in terms of the energy savings that they can have when they're investing in new types of decarbonisation programs that we're helping them set and project manage thereafter, be it in terms of minimising waste, again, which is incredibly important in today's high inflation environment. So these are all aspects that we're helping with, we're defining, we're working, and I'm happy to say that our clients are very happy with those types of tangible examples that we're able to demonstrate to them, and that's why they're coming back and asking us to work with other parts of their portfolio in other plants and operations across the world.